Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at Bece 2019 Mathematics Past Question, Question 5. Find the sum of 0.312, 0.14 and 0.7. Find the sum of 0.312, 0.14 and 0.7. A 0.152, B 0.158, C 1.152 and D 0.158. Now we are asked to find the sum of the following decimal numbers, and like you know, sum simply refers to as addition. So we are trying to say we should what? Add 0.312 plus 0.14 plus 0.7. Now these are decimal numbers, and like you know, in your addition you have to arrange your number in place values. Likewise, this decimal have what? They have the place values. Now how do you arrange these numbers? The first number here is what? Is 0.312. The next is what? The next is 0.14. So you arrange it in 0.14, and the next is 0.7. So you arrange it like this: 0.7. So this is how you arrange it. This is how you arrange it. And remember, you are adding. It's an addition. Now this is 4 here. You start with your addition, and as you know, when you're starting to addition, you start from the right, you moving towards the left. Now you have 2 here. 2, nothing, nothing. So you put down what? You put down your 2. Then you have 1 here. 1 plus 4, 5 plus nothing. They give us what? 5. And then here you have 3. 3 plus 1 will give us what? 4. And 4 plus 7 will give us what? 4 plus 7 will give us 11. And because this is a decimal number, what do? You put your what? You put your 1 here, and then you take the 1 to the other side. Remember, in our normal addition, take for instance, when you have something like this, 12 plus 92, and you add, you have your 4 here. Now when you come here and you add your 9, because you're having a 10, a 2 place value, what do? You put your 0 and bring the 1 to this other side, and then put your 1 down. So likewise, it also applies to what? To addition using decimal. Now here, because we have 11, and this 11 is a 2 place value, what do? You put your 1 here and take the 1 to the other side of the of the decimal. Now when you put your 1 here, what happens? You now continue your addition. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 will give you what? Will give you 1. So with this, you have what? You have 1.152, and from the option, A here says what? 1.1. I'm sorry, C here says 1.152, because A here says 0.152, and 0.152 is not our answer. It's wrong. Likewise, B says 0.158 is wrong. C says 1.152, which is our answer, so it's correct. But D says 0.158, it is wrong. So our correct answer is what? Is C, 1.152. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.